Stephen and James are trying to repair. Oh, no, they fixed it. Yes, in a time. Good?
Not yet. Not ready. Alright, fine, pull.
Hold on.
Well, now I'm not ready.
Oh, whoops. What the fuck was that? You had a twin! A twin. A twin.
I thought it broke in half.
They're broke in half. In half. Alright folks, today we'll be doing a little dance, making a little love, and definitely getting down tonight. What do you think about that? This is the life of a clay pigeon. That is what happens when one gets away. See this man? He is with Peter.
Pull.
Whoops. I didn't even do that. Alright. Here we go. Again, this man with Peter. Not efficiently taught in the ways of the firearm. This is what happens when a man gets fed up with life. Only to find his name is Stephen. Oh God, he's done it again. Can he do it? Can he? Let us see if this man can do it a third time. Quite in the third hole. And this clay pigeon made its due with this man. Man! This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Pull! Chuck chuck kaboom. He misses.
It's a miracle!
It's a miracle. Obviously, this creature had the spirit of Jesus Christ with him.
Alright!
Oh God, he's done it. He's killed an angel. But, is this the end for the clay pigeon?
Oh.